It's a unique field. It's one of the things where you always feel like you're doing something good. I was always interested in science and the way the body worked, and I always wanted to do something with my hands. So that led me to medicine. Hi, I'm Torre Ruth. I'm an orthopedic trauma surgeon here at Penn Medicine. I take care of broken bones. So people that will show up to an urgent care, show up to an emergency department, diagnosed with a broken bone, they come see me and we talk about how we can treat it. So I see patients in the clinic, I spend days in the operating room. It's a pretty well-rounded practice for an orthopedic trauma specialist. The stuff that involves broken bones that involve a joint or the pelvis or the hip socket, they're very difficult cases. What I say to most patients when they come to see me is I treat people, not x-rays. So the same injury is not the same in different people. I present with every patient the treatment, operative or non-operative, and I go through each step of each one and the risks and benefits of each. With that, it allows them to respond and ask questions, and then we can talk about how it will look or how we expect it to look. And then they can decide, that's important to me. I think I'm willing to undergo a big surgery to have better function. It's a process and it takes time, but it's probably the most important thing that I do. You know, when they come to me, they're in pretty bad shape. Sometimes it's one of the worst days of their life, and being able to get them through to the other side and back to a normal life, I think that's the best part of my job.